Hey Felix, Shaelee here with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, these call to actions are really good to have. That will help with your conversions. One thing that I do recommend is having some more content on this homepage. And you want more content because Google has crawlers crawling the internet 24/7. So they are looking through all of the website's content, what these photos are saved as, looking for some keywords. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And so let's take a look at an example of a keyword that you would want embedded in that content. So I have San Antonio Foundation Repair pulled up here. And the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. But if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section. And so 30 to 40% of business goes into this Google Map Packs. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get the majority of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses is you have a Google business profile with more citations in them. And what a citation is it is your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And then you want to have a good amount of reviews and photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And so the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And so let's take a look. This is where your website would be ranking. And I am not seeing your website here. 90% of people stay on this first page, so it is important to be on this first page as high up as possible. A lot of the traffic goes into the top 3 spots. And let's take a look at this #1 ranking website. So I have Baird Foundation Repair pulled up. They have some good call to actions as well. Looking through their website, it would be really easy to beat them out with the content. But let's take a look at the back end of each website here. I have Baird Foundation Repair plugged into Ahrefs. And so we're going to take a look at ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. And so what makes up these ratings here are the backlinks that they have. They have 3.64 thousand backlinks coming from 346 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another. So it's kind of like a shout out. And it's important to mention that not all backlinks are created equal. And so you want to make sure that you are intentional when you're selecting backlinks. Good quality ones will bring these numbers up, and spammy ones will bring them down. And Baird has 2.4 thousand keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at yours. I have Texas Foundation Repair, SA, your URL plugged in here. And you all have 6 and 0.8 as the ratings. And that's coming from your 64 backlinks from the 15 referring domains. And you all have 35 keywords on your website. And so it'd be really important for you all to bring these ratings up so that you are outranking your competition, so that you are on the first page for the keywords that you're wanting to. So you want to make sure you're getting those good quality backlinks to boost these numbers. And then you want to make sure you have buyer intent keywords throughout your website so Google knows to connect you when people are searching for that. Now, one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would go into Baird's backlinks here, and then you would link those to your website. And the reason that you'd want to do that is because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And let's take a look at some of their keywords. So they are ranking for quite a few keywords. and the buyer intent ones are kind of hidden throughout. Foundation Repair San Antonio, 2.5 thousand people are searching for this every single month. And there are more buyer intent keywords throughout here. San Antonio Foundation Repair, 200. Foundation Repair Corpus Christi, 350. Foundation Repair San Antonio TX, 150. And so this list just keeps going. There's many pages here. And so in order for you to get some of this traffic for yourself, you'd want to make sure that Google Business Profile is ranking, so have some extra citations there. And then you want to add the content and the keywords to your website, and then boost that authority as well as that trustworthiness of your website with those backlinks. And so I hope this was super helpful for you. I would love to hear your feedback on this video. And if you give me a call, I will tell you the joke of the day after your feedback. Thanks for taking the time to watch it.